course, on days like this, Josh, it's important to have that rescue chopper as
Oh,
we
absolutely.
turn back to you. I mean, I can only imagine how choppy it is out on the water as it's been so blustery and rainy here in the city.
It's just been stormy across the Pacific Northwest, and unfortunately, this is going to be a multi-day event. So what we've experienced today, just day one of a 3-day event. So we are keeping that KOIN 6 weather alert in place all the way through Wednesday evening. And even after our skies begin to dry, runoff still poses a bit of a threat for some minor flooding in locations. But it's also the gusty winds that we expect to experience tonight, if you haven't already. But also just images like this, a live look out towards Seaside as those soaking rains and the driving wind continues to push its way here across the Pacific Northwest. And elsewhere across the Pacific Northwest, even within the 11 o'clock hour, mid-50s, that's well above our average of about 47 to 48 degrees for this time of year. This all part of the atmospheric river, allowing for not only the rain and wind, but also those above average temperatures to find their way in from the state of Hawaii. Overall, the wind speeds nearing anywhere from 15 to 20 to 25 miles per hour. We could potentially tip the scale and see some gusts near about 45 miles per hour through the rest of this evening. But the good news is, as we move our way into tomorrow morning and the early afternoon hours, single-digit winds once again return. But then tomorrow night, we anticipate the wind to once again start to pick up here across the Pacific Northwest. So at least for tonight, we do have an elevated chance of seeing scattered power outages, which we showed you at the top of KOIN 6 News at 11 o'clock. That we are already, unfortunately, starting to see that because we're loosening up the soil, making it very saturated so those roots don't have anything to hold on to, especially when our winds are expected to gust close to 35 to 45 miles per hour as a wind advisory still remains in place at least through 4 o'clock in the morning, and then another might go back into place come Wednesday. But the wet weather in no short supply. Those yellows, oranges, and reds, a great indication of the heaviest of the rain that is still falling across our area, especially for the Portland, Vancouver metro area. Look at these impressive rainfall totals. We'll start off in Tillamook, more than 3¼ inches. Astoria, yeah, your meter is out, so that's why we're not picking up on anything. But I assure you, you have been seeing the rain just as much as Portland has by about 1 inch and 3/10. That's why the National Weather Service is keeping that flood watch in effect all the way through Thursday evening, where landslides are also a possibility. So the threats, they just continue to add up as this strong atmospheric river, the tongue of moisture, or Pineapple Express, stretches from the state of Hawaii into western Oregon and southwest Washington. That's going to be taking us all the way through the early hours on Thursday. But a strong atmospheric river here along the Oregon-Washington coast, all indicated by those orange dots. So let's time everything out. Very little in the form of snowfall over the Cascades of Oregon. More snow further to the north of the Cascades in western Washington. That's good news for the snowpack, but relatively speaking, these are warm rains that are going to continue through the day Tuesday. It's Wednesday. We start to enter into a bit of a rain shadow, but again, the wind picking back up, likely going to be gusty for you on Wednesday. So make sure that the holiday decor is secure and in place. So additional rain accumulation filling the bucket close to an additional, on top of what we've already seen, 1¼ inch, maybe 2 to 3 inches still possible out along the coast. That is a very real potential for much of the Pacific Northwest. The snow elevation levels still not a threat, remaining above 6,000 feet. Mount Hood itself, maybe 6 inches at best, but for tonight, 49 degrees. It's going to be windy out there. Tomorrow, we taper the winds back slightly. Still rainy, 58 degrees for us as those KOIN 6 weather alerts take us all the way through Wednesday. Look at those afternoon highs, still into the mid to upper 50s for us. And then we gradually dry things out as the weekend approaches. And to end on a lighter note, the Christmas Ships Parade set sail over the Willamette River earlier this evening in downtown Portland. A bit of a time-lapse view for you.
Oh, that's in fast forward and
yeah,
looks kind of fun.
So that did not stop them. The stormy weather did not, so they got to enjoy the holiday season.
I like
early.
that. And for those of us who missed it, you showed us that. Very cool.
Indeed.
All right, we'll continue to hunker down from that rain.
Yes.
Thanks, Josh.